Hello guys, hello folks, me Harley J, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cleanup video, so I have this whole room, and today is Sunday, and in my house Sunday is cleanup day, when we don't have stuff to do, we just spend the cleaning. So I have to clean up this messy room, as you can see it's messy. So I'm going to plan on bringing it through the cleanup day. Harley J, let's start, and if I find some interesting things, I'll talk to you about them. I honestly think this room looks better with light. But here's the thing, I have to tell you this. So these two blinds, they open. This one doesn't open because it broke a long time ago. I was clumsy and I broke it. So yeah, let's continue. So funny thing to know is that these drawers right here, pull out, it pull in. But the knob on them doesn't work. Can't believe it just doesn't work. It's kind of funny. So when I try to pull it, when I try to open the thing, it just pops right off. Just it's nice. And it looks like you can just put it back on, but the inside just doesn't go on. Just kind of like push it in, twist it, and just hope that it stays on. Cross your fingers that it stays on. So this right here, it's a puzzle. I've been trying to solve it for who knows how long, but I can always get all the pieces in except for one. So if you know how to solve a puzzle like this, please reach out to me. Please comment down below. I mean, maybe we can collab or something. We need to solve this puzzle. I'm working on it for months and I can't solve it. Maybe even Chris Ramsey, if you're watching this, please help me solve the puzzle. Please. So the reason I have this stack of books here and a bucket of books here, which you can't see the bucket of books here, there's a big bucket of books here, there's a big pile of books here, and there's buckets of books. I have loads of books. There's a whole bookshelf full of books. There's another bookshelf full of books. Lots of books. And the reason I'm doing the book challenge, and this is my big announcement. And I even have these books. I also got a laser pointer, which is really cool. Look at that. Look at that. See? Look at that. Laser pointer. I think this is really cool. This is really cool laser pointer. But the big announcement is that I set a goal for myself. That by the end of this year, not like the school year, the calendar year, by the end of 2022, I have to read 100 books. I started August 15th, and I've already read 5 books. My goal by the end of August, I have like a monthly goal, so I can get to that 100-day thing, really cool challenge. And I've already read 5 books. These 5 books are the 5 books I've read. I'm keeping track of it in this notebook. And as I do this challenge, I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm gonna be doing my regular videos, but I'm also gonna be doing videos where I just talk about the books I'm reading. I do book reviews. I'm kind of getting into the reading thing. But right now, what I'm reading is a book called Hide and Geek. Really good book. I would recommend it. Very nice book. I also have like a Warren Buffett book and cool stuff. But I'm really good at my book so far. And if you want to join me, just comment down below. I might do like an online website where people can join me and like tell me how like a website people can like join the challenge themselves, participate. I might come up with some merch for the first time for this really cool, exciting thing. I don't know. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated on it. And at the same time, I have a goal of reaching about 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm on 70 something. That's gonna be really hard. I'm not even asking to do 2,000. All I need is around 430 subscribers. That's all I need. So please share this video with a friend. Tell them to subscribe. Please, I need this. But yeah, so 100-day book challenge. I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated along the way as I also try to hit 500 subscribers. Thank you. And if I can't get 500, just if you can, 100. But let's get back to the video. Cool. Yeah, I do magic. That's about me. If you don't know, I like magic. I think it's fun. It's a creative way to express yourself. I have this big box of magic stuff. I also have that big cabinet full of magic stuff. Oh, what? This is a really cool box. I got it as a birthday gift. Everything in this box. It's a collection, handmade. Well, by one of my dear friends. He sadly passed away, but yeah, I cherish this. I love magic. Kind of. So we did everything you can see behind me. But I think now it's time to go over there. Right there. We can't see it right now. This is what we're organizing next. Cool, right? So in my film section where I have a lot of my film gear. I have some of my film gear there in the cabinets, and some film gear hidden around the room, but most of it is here. So let's organize this. That looks organized enough to me. Now let's move on to the hardest part. The closet. You ready? Ta-da! Closet, clothes, pants. Sometimes there's laundry. This side I have stuff that doesn't need laundry. Perfectly organized. I even have a little sitting space. I think it looks really nice. Okay. And now it's time for a final tour of my whole room. Let's do this. So, into my room. I have a basketball hoop there, it's a Nerf one. I have my mirror. I have my film area. I have my closet. You saw my closet earlier. I didn't really organize this part of the closet. It's the only part I don't really care about organizing. This is actually a really expensive Harry Potter one that I got. Really cool. I'm not going to show it to you. I'll show it to you in another video. My filmmaking area. My bed. The little drawers. Puzzle I can't solve. This is actually a really cool thing. This is an arts and crafts thing I made at camp. And it just opens up. Isn't that cool? So you can like put something. I could put like maybe a rubber band in here. And then I could just pull that inwards. And I have a rubber band in here. You didn't even hear it. So that's really cool. I have this book. This is like my little, how you call it, well, this is an arts craft thing, but this is like my music storage area. It's also my messy area. It's like the only part that's also really messy, because it's a broken drum set that completely collapsed one day. I was playing on it and then it completely collapsed. We have to fix that soon. We can't do it today. We don't have time. So I'm also trying to start like a book business and sell like old books. So I have lots of books to sell. I have instruments. And I have that. I have fidgets. I have some cool artwork, and all this artwork is on index cards. Index card artwork. I have a book. I have some things I like to sell. I have my journal that keeps track of my book challenge, which I remember a challenge, read 100 books by the end of the year, and get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year. And then I have all this stuff. These are the books. I'll tell you about these books. I'll do a book video one day. But my desk. This is actually really cool. So this is a Warner Brothers Design Studio art kit. Very cool. I have my filing cabinet. I have some DVDs, Samsung SSD. This is a book my mom's roommate wrote. It's called The Accidental Suffragist by Galia Guichon. Really good book. I would recommend you read it. Some newspapers, magazines, some more books. My laser pointer, which is actually really cool. See? Look at that. And I'll actually use this to show you the other stuff. I have some pillows. I have that kind of stuff. There's a poster. Some stuff I don't want you to see because it's very secretive, but you can't really see it from where it is right there. So, my grandma actually made these pillows before she died. Some artwork down here, some cool stuff. I have a little, how you call it, a dartboard, and that's really it. Oh, I also have poster over there, Hitman's Bodyguard. I have a poster of one of my films, 2020 as a kid. It's a really cool documentary that I did. I have another film that I did, Lost Past. Really cool. So yeah, that is my room cleanup day. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to me, please. Share this video with a friend. Hopefully they subscribe also. What else? Oh yeah, remember my challenge. Get to 500 subscribers by the end of the year and read 100 books by the end of the year. So I'm trying really hard. I'll do a lot of content about that stuff. And I think I'm going to go to the library today. And if I do, I will bring you guys along in another video. I think I'm shooting this video today. I'm probably going to might shoot another video today. And then I'm also definitely going to shoot a premiere vlog tomorrow. I'm going to a big Netflix movie premiere tomorrow. And I'm going to shoot a vlog for that little premiere thing while I'm there. So basically, hopefully 3 videos in 2 days. I'm trying to get as much content as possible. So yeah, okay. See ya. Peace out. Please subscribe.